Hi everyone, welcome to biology class. Let's move part 5 of chapter 1, crop production and management. Topics included harvesting, storage and food from animals. Children, do you know anything about harvesting? Harvesting of a crop is an important task. The cutting of crop after it is mature is called harvesting. In harvesting, crops are pulled out or cutting close to the ground. It usually takes 3 to 4 months for a cereal crop to mature. Harvesting in our country is either done by a machine called harvester or manually by sickle. In the harvested crop, the grain seeds need to be separated from the chaff. This process is called threshing. This is carried out with the help of a machine called combine, which is in fact a combine harvester and a thresher. But in India, some of the places the farmers use the ancient method, such as they are beating the chaff on a hard surface or stone and separate the seeds from the chaff. After threshing, farmers separate the grains and husk with the help of wind. This process is called winnowing. It is done with the help of winnowing machines. Harvest festivals. After 3 or 4 months of hard work, there comes the day of the harvest. The sight of golden fields of standing crop, laden with grain, fills the hearts of farmers with joy and sense of well-being. The efforts of the past season have borne fruit, and it is a time to relax and enjoy a little. The period of harvest is thus of great joy and happiness in all parts of India. Men and women celebrate it with great enthusiasm. Special festivals associated with the harvest seasons are Pongal, Baishagi, Holi, Diwali, Nabanya, Bihu and Onam. Storage. Storage of produce is an important task. If the crop grains are to be kept for a longer time, they should be safe from moisture, insects, rats and microorganisms. The fresh crop has more moisture. If freshly harvested grains are stored without drying, they may get spoiled or attacked by organisms, losing their germination capacity. Hence, before storing them, the grains are properly dried in the sun to reduce the moisture in them. This prevents the attack by insect pests, bacteria and fungi. Farmers store grains in jute bags or metallic bins. However, large-scale storage of grains is done in silos and granaries to protect them from pests like rats and insects. This video will help you to know how the food grains are stored in granaries or silos and how it is protected from the insect pest, rats, fungus, etc. Food from animals. We get food not only from plants but also from animals. The animals provide different kinds of food such as milk, ghee, egg, meat, etc. For this, the farmers reared animals at home or in farms had to be provided with proper food, shelter and care. When this is done on a large scale, it is called animal husbandry.